You walk into your kitchen searching for something to soothe your skin, help with that nagging ache, or maybe fix a little flare-up on your scalp. You open the cabinet, and there they are. Baking soda and castor oil. What if I told you that these two humble ingredients can work together to heal, nourish, and transform your body from the outside in? Well, today we're about to uncover the 20 incredible health benefits of baking soda and castor oil when used together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be eager to try every single one of them. Let's dive in. First, skin detoxification. Let's set the scene. It's been a long, exhausting day, and your skin feels clogged and dull. Your face is crying out for a reset. Now here's where our dynamic duo comes in. Baking soda and castor oil. The perfect detox mask. All you need is 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Mix them together until you have a smooth paste. Gently apply it to your face, focusing on areas where your pores feel congested, like your forehead, nose, and chin. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. As the mask works its magic, it draws out impurities while the castor oil dives deep to hydrate. When you wash it off with warm water, your skin feels reborn, clean, soft, and ready to take on the world. Second, acne treatment. Now picture this. You wake up, look in the mirror, and there it is, the dreaded pimple. We've all been there. But instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, you reach for baking soda and castor oil. Here's how to make your acne-fighting warrior paste. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with just a few drops of castor oil, enough to form a thick, sticky paste. Now dab it directly onto that blemish. What's happening here? The baking soda is fighting bacteria and balancing your skin's pH, while the castor oil reduces inflammation and calms that angry red spot. Go ahead, leave it on overnight. By morning, you'll notice the difference. And that pimple? Well, it'll be a lot less menacing. 3. Exfoliation and dead skin removal. You know that feeling when your skin just doesn't look alive? It's dull, dry, and in desperate need of a refresh. Well, it's exfoliation time. Grab a tablespoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Rub it between your palms until you have a gentle scrub. Now massage it onto your face, or anywhere you need a little glow, moving in small circular motions. Feel how the baking soda gently lifts away dead skin cells, and the castor oil, it's feeding that fresh layer of skin beneath. After a couple of minutes, rinse it off, and bam, your skin feels like silk, glowing from within. You might just catch yourself in the mirror and smile a little wider. Fourth, treatment for skin rashes. Let's say you've been outside all day, and suddenly you notice an itchy, red rash spreading across your skin. Maybe it's from an allergic reaction, or maybe you've had a run-in with poison ivy. No worries, your natural healing duo is here. Take equal parts of baking soda and castor oil, mix them into a soothing balm, and gently apply it to the irritated area. What's happening here? The baking soda neutralizes the itch, while castor oil works its anti-inflammatory magic. Within minutes, the redness starts to fade. And that burning itch? It's a thing of the past. It's like you've given your skin a hug, and it's thanking you for the relief. 5. Healing sunburn. Picture this. It's a perfect beach day, the sun was shining, and you had the time of your life. But now back home, your skin feels like it's on fire from a not-so-perfect sunburn. What do? You whip up a cooling, healing treatment with 2 things already in your cabinet. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of castor oil and spread it gently over your sunburned skin. The baking soda immediately cools the burn, soothing that tight, hot feeling, while castor oil goes to work on repairing your skin and bringing back moisture. Within moments, your skin feels calmer, and over the next day or so, it heals faster than you thought possible. 6. Scalp health and dandruff control. It's been a rough hair day. Your scalp is dry, itchy, and those dandruff flakes keep showing up no matter how hard you try to hide them. Don't worry, baking soda and castor oil are about to come to the rescue. Here's what you do. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of castor oil. Massage it directly into your scalp, gently working it into all those itchy, dry spots. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Baking soda removes the flakes and buildup, while castor oil moisturizes your scalp and fights the fungus causing dandruff. Your scalp will feel so refreshed, like it's finally breathing again. 7. Relief from itchy skin. You're outside enjoying a beautiful evening, but later you realize you've been eaten alive by mosquitoes. The itching starts to drive you crazy. Instead of scratching until it bleeds, here's a trick. Mix a pinch of baking soda with a couple of drops of castor oil to create a tiny miracle paste. Apply it directly to those bug bites. Immediately, the baking soda neutralizes the itch, while castor oil calms the skin and reduces swelling. In minutes, that unbearable itch fades away, and all that's left is sweet, sweet relief. 8. Fungal infection treatment. Let's get real for a moment. Fungal infections like athlete's foot or ringworm aren't exactly dinner table conversation, but they're common and so frustrating. Thankfully, you've got a secret weapon. Mix equal parts of baking soda and castor oil and apply it directly to the affected area. Castor oil is antifungal and soothing, while baking soda helps absorb moisture and fight off the fungus. Leave the mixture on for 20 minutes, then rinse it off. Do this daily, and within days, that stubborn infection will start to fade. You'll be back on your feet, feeling comfortable and confident again. 9. Reduction of scars and stretch marks. Stretch marks and scars, they tell our stories, but sometimes we'd like them to fade just a little. Here's a natural way to help them heal. Take 1 tablespoon of castor oil and add a pinch of baking soda, mixing them into a smooth blend. Massage the mixture into your scars or stretch marks every night. The castor oil dives deep, promoting healing and regeneration, while baking soda gently exfoliates, helping the skin renew itself. Over time, you'll notice those marks softening, fading into the background, and revealing smoother, healthier skin. 10th, joint and muscle pain relief. After a long day on your feet, your joints and muscles can feel sore, stiff, and in need of some TLC. Here's your natural remedy. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda to create a soothing paste. Apply it to the sore area, your knees, your back, wherever the pain is. Now wrap it with a warm cloth and let the warmth help the oil sink deep into your muscles, while the baking soda neutralizes the acids that cause inflammation. After 30 minutes, the pain starts to melt away, leaving you feeling lighter, looser, and ready to rest. 11th, nail strengthening and cuticle care. Let's talk about your nails. Maybe they've been looking a little brittle, or your cuticles feel dry and cracked. Here's where baking soda and castor oil step in, like a salon treatment, right at home. To strengthen your nails and nourish your cuticles, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a teaspoon of castor oil. Gently massage this mixture into your nails and cuticles in circular motions. What's happening here? The baking soda gently buffs away dead skin, while castor oil hydrates and nourishes the nail bed, encouraging healthy, stronger nail growth. Do this a few times a week and watch as your nails transform from brittle to beautiful with a healthy shine that rivals a manicure. 12th, puffy eyes and dark circles. Now let's face it, dark circles and puffy eyes can be a real downer. But what if you could wake up looking refreshed without expensive creams? Enter your trusty duo, baking soda and castor oil. Here's how. Mix a pinch of baking soda with a few drops of castor oil, then gently dab it under your eyes. Be careful to avoid getting it too close to your eyes. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The baking soda helps reduce puffiness by drawing out excess fluids, while castor oil hydrates and smooths those fine lines. The result? Bright, awake eyes that say, "I got my beauty sleep," even if you didn't. 13. Foot care for cracked heels. Now imagine this. You've been on your feet all day and your heels are dry, cracked, and begging for relief. Here's the ultimate foot treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of castor oil, creating a thick paste. Massage it into those tired, cracked heels, focusing on the driest areas. Slip on a pair of socks and let it work overnight. As you sleep, the baking soda exfoliates, while castor oil deeply penetrates, softening the skin. In the morning, your feet will feel like they've had a spa night. Soft, smooth, and ready to walk miles again. 14th, wart removal. Warts. They're stubborn and not exactly welcome. But before you rush to buy over-the-counter treatments, try this natural remedy. Baking soda and castor oil both have antiviral properties that can help eliminate warts naturally over time. Mix equal parts of baking soda and castor oil into a thick paste and apply it directly onto the wart. Cover it with a bandage and let it sit overnight. Repeat this process nightly, and after a week or two, you'll start to notice the wart shrinking and disappearing. It's a gentle yet effective way to get rid of those pesky skin invaders. 15th, lip softening and healing. Have you ever had dry, chapped lips that just won't heal, no matter how much lip balm you apply? Well, castor oil and baking soda have something to say about that. Here's your DIY lip rescue. Mix a tiny pinch of baking soda with a few drops of castor oil, enough to make a balm. Gently massage it onto your lips for about a minute. The baking soda exfoliates any dead dry skin, while the castor oil intensely moisturizes. Leave it on for a few minutes, then wipe it away with a soft cloth. What's left? Lips that are soft, smooth, and ready for a perfect smile. 16th, hand rejuvenation treatment. Our hands do so much for us, and yet they're often the first to show signs of aging, dryness, fine lines, and rough patches. But with baking soda and castor oil, you can give your hands the rejuvenation they deserve. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of castor oil and rub the mixture all over your hands, paying special attention to the knuckles and any rough areas. Let it sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. The baking soda gently exfoliates, while castor oil moisturizes deeply, leaving your hands feeling as soft and smooth as they were years ago. 17th, soothe minor burns. We've all had a moment where we've touched something hot by accident, a stove, a curling iron, or even hot water. For minor burns, baking soda and castor oil can be a soothing remedy. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of castor oil and gently apply the mixture to the affected area. The baking soda helps cool the burn and neutralizes any acidity that could be irritating the skin, while the castor oil soothes and begins the healing process. In minutes, the sting begins to fade and the skin starts its natural repair. 18th, belly button detox. Here's a secret you might not have heard. Your belly button holds a lot of hidden dirt, bacteria, and toxins. A simple detox can keep it clean and healthy. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a teaspoon of castor oil. Use a cotton swab to gently apply the mixture around and inside the belly button area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it away with a clean, damp cloth. This gentle detox removes impurities while moisturizing the skin. It's a small step, but one that'll leave you feeling surprisingly refreshed. 19th, soothing a sore throat, external treatment. When that sore throat hits, it can feel like you're swallowing glass. While most people grab a tea, here's an external treatment you can try. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of castor oil and massage it gently into your throat area. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil help reduce swelling, while baking soda soothes the discomfort. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. It won't fix everything, but it's an excellent complementary remedy to help you feel better faster. 20. Detoxifying armpit treatment. Now, this one might surprise you. Your armpits can hold onto a lot of toxins, especially if you're transitioning to natural deodorants. A baking soda and castor oil detox can help. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Apply this paste to your underarms, massaging it in gently. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off in the shower. The baking soda draws out toxins and helps neutralize odor, while the castor oil soothes and nourishes the delicate skin. You'll be left feeling fresh and clean without the use of harsh chemicals. If you love these tips, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty and health secrets. Let us know in the comments which remedy you'll try first, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on getting rid of warts, moles, and skin tags with castor oil and baking soda. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.